Hey beauties, welcome back to the Creative Contour by Carla podcast. Today I want to talk about why we should have confidence in ourselves and why we should believe in ourselves and why we should do things that scare us. So let's get into the content. Hey beauties, I'm Carla, makeup artist, speaker, business owner, and founder of Creative Contour by Carla. I believe we should love wearing makeup should we choose to. In this podcast, I will break down the harmful rhetoric spewed by the beauty industry. Follow along to love yourself, gain confidence, and enjoy a little glam. First, let's get the probably easiest one out of the way, why we should believe in ourselves. I hate to make this the dummy in the room, but if you don't believe in yourself, you're not going to get anything that you want, right? Whatever it is you want, believe in yourself and believe you deserve it. And that is something that I personally have been working on for the past few years now. And I genuinely believe that when we do the inner work for ourselves and we believe in ourselves, we're going to get the things that we want. Because when it's on your heart and you want it so bad and you desire it and you just feel it deep down, you know it's meant to be achieved. So you have to believe in yourself. So let's talk about confidence. We have to have confidence in ourselves while we are believing in ourselves. These two things go hand in hand. You have to have the confidence while you believe in yourself that anything you want, you're going to get. Especially, again, when it's those things that are on your heart, you can feel them. You can feel them. If you're like me, you're like, I know this is meant to happen. I don't know how, I don't know when, I don't know where, I don't know why, but I know that it is meant to happen. You have to believe in it, and you have to have confidence in yourself. One of my hardest life lessons is this, about having confidence in yourself. When I have confidence in myself, literally the things I want happen. So, how do we have confidence in ourselves? The first thing is, and this is from my own life experience, that we have to do the inner work. So if you are not confident in yourself, you have to do the inner work, whatever that looks like for you. For some people, it is like me speaking to a therapist and healing a shattered self-esteem. For other people, it's journaling, it's shadow work, it's praying, it's talking with a friend or a loved one. Whatever it is for you, that's what it is. You do the thing you need to do to give yourself confidence. Now, of course, this goes without saying, whatever that thing you have to do is also has to come from a place of love for yourself, for others, for the earth, for all living things. It cannot be something that's harmful, of course. Which leads me to my next point, and another way to get confidence in yourself is doing things that scare you. I could talk about this forever. But let's talk generally about doing things that scare you. In my life experience, sometimes the things that scare me the most are the things that are best for me. And I laugh about this, and we're all going to have a little laugh because I'm sure there are things in your life that scare you that are also really good for you. But that's why it scares you, and it's really good for you to do them because it builds confidence. So when you do something that scares you, you inherently become more confident, because you faced a fear. And even if you face a fear and you don't conquer the fear, even if you just take a step towards it and the fear is not erased, it doesn't matter. You still are going to end up a little bit more confident, and it's good for you. In summary of our episode, we should believe in ourselves, have confidence in ourselves, and do things that scare us, because all of these three things will help us grow, be happier, and build our confidence. Tell me in the comments below, have you done something recently that scares you that built your confidence? I want to know. So beauties, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I can't wait to see you all soon.